the Jesus Disciples Seminary textbooks can be ordered from Amazon. Do a search for Jesus Disciples Seminary. Lesson 2. Basic facts about government. 1. That all the requirements and purposes of the law must be able to be understood. 2. That all obedience must be possible and practical. 3. That the government must be for the highest good of all people under it. 4. That the government must be without respect of persons. 5. That the government shall not be contrary or against the law of nature. 6. That the government shall show in the penalties and rewards the total feelings and thoughts concerning the importance of the various laws. 7. That perfect obedience to the governmental laws shall be rewarded with the continued favor and protection of that government. 8. That the breaking of one law shall bring about immediate penalty and punishment by that government. 9. That the law makes no room for repentance or forgiveness for the breaking of its laws. 10. That the greatest force or power behind governmental laws is the issuing of penalties and punishment for breaking the law. This must be greater than the rewards for keeping the law. 11. That disobedience cannot be pardoned unless some other equally efficient and preventive action can be substituted for the execution of law. 12. That where this type of substitution can be done, pardon for breaking the law is in strict accordance with the perfection of government. 13. That in every case of disobedience the government is bound to 1. Inflict the penalty of the law, or 2. See that some substitution is rendered in order to maintain public justice. 14. That the only substitution that can be rendered to public justice is some governmental measure that will as fully reveal and show the righteousness of the government as the fulfillment of the law would do. 15. That when the penalty of the law is carried out, it tends to prevent further rebellion by showing the righteousness of the lawgiver, the government, and thus builds confidence and heart obedience towards that government. 16. Therefore, any act on the part of government that will show the character of the government to be completely honest and powerful in its dealings with lawbreakers, yet using some means of substitution that would satisfy public justice, would make a pardon not only right and proper, but highly beneficial and wholesome to all concerned. All of the Jesus Disciples Seminary textbooks can be ordered from Amazon. Do a search for Jesus Disciples Seminary.